Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we are looking at Apple's latest watch release, the Apple Watch Series 11. On the surface, it seems like another upgrade, but beneath that familiar frame, there are some real enhancements worth talking about. So let's dive in and see what changes and why it matters. So links are in the descriptions if you want to explore further. First of all, we have design and the durability. At first glance, the Series 11 feels almost identical to its predecessor in size and shape, but Apple has refined the build. This year's model is slimmer and features a new, tougher glass with a ceramic coating. It's rated to be twice as scratch resistant, so for everyday wear and spills, it's a solid upgrade in resilience, connectivity and speed. Inside, Apple has finally added 5G to cellular models. That means faster connections, smoother streaming, and a better coverage when you are away from your phone. Apple feels snappier and calls stay clearer without the sluggishness that something made 4G feel outdated. What about battery life? Battery life has always been a weak spot. The Series 10 delivered around 18 hours, but the Series 11 boosted that to a full 24 hours. Finally making it realistic to go a full day and night. Even in the low power mode, you are stretching those hours just enough to feel more relaxed about charging. Health features that matters. Now here where it gets interesting. Series 11 brings hypertension alerts, monitoring your blood pressure trends over time and nudging you if it spots something concerning. It's not a diagnosis, but it's an early warning that could be a game changer for a long-term health awareness. On the top of that, there's a new sleep score features instead of a vague good or a bad. You get a clear out of 10 score based on your sleep duration, consistency, and interpretations, making it much easier to actually improve how you rest. The everyday extras. Running on watchOS 26, Series 11 also introduced a cheeky wrist flick gestures to dismiss notification alongside AI-powered tools like Workout Buddy and Liquid Glass watch faces. These feel small but they add up, making interactions faster and the watch feels smarter. So what are the final thoughts? So if the Apple Watch Series 11 worth upgrading to? If you own a Series 10 and if you are happy enough, this might not feel like a must-have. Unless you care about improved durability, battery life, and those new health tools. But if you are coming from something older or these enhancement matters to you, Series 11 delivers meaningful upgrade at the same starting price. It's not a revolution, but it's a beautifully polished evaluation. Thanks for watching.